The alarm blared with such ferocity that Yutun thought it might shatter her sanity. This particular morning, it felt like it was exploding into her dreams, jolting her awake from what had been a lovely escape. In the dream, she had been lifting weights at the gym in a vibrant Ankara tank top, one she didn't own but decided she must add to her wardrobe. Groggy but determined, she rolled out of bed, murmured her prayers, and wandered to the bathroom to freshen up. After jotting down a few insights from her Bible reading in her journal, she tidied her room and remembered to flip on the water heater. These days, she was cautious with her power usage. Her NEPA bill had ballooned recently, forcing her to rethink some conveniences. Earlier in the year, her bill had nearly doubled, a painful surprise that made her swear off her washing machine and standing air conditioner. She even thought about selling both off. They were impulse buys, especially the AC, which she'd bought on a whim when her neighbor was about to relocate to Canada. But the cooling was too intense for her small studio, and, frankly, too costly. She had laid out her outfit the night before on her armchair, a deep wine-colored dress with button detailing and a flared skirt. Every time she wore it, she remembered her interview 2 years ago, where she'd rocked this dress and impressed her would-be bosses with her answer to a problem-solving question. At the end, they'd asked about her name, spelled Yutund but pronounced Yetunde. She'd cheerfully explained the spelling and pronunciation, sharing a bit about her roots. In the bathroom, she took a warm shower and washed her afro, which had flourished since she started her hair care journey. She carefully styled it, knowing it was often a conversation starter. Her chatty colleague Susan always joked, "With that name and that hair, Yutund, your soulmate won't miss you." Sure enough, her afro and unique name had sparked more than one toasting attempt, as Susan put it. Dressed and ready, Yutund realized her glasses were nowhere in sight. She tried to stay calm, searching the usual spots, under her pillow, near her Bible, in the bathroom near her toothbrush. Nothing. After 10 minutes, panic set in. Her head started to ache from squinting, and she knew a migraine was on its way if she didn't find them soon. Time was running out, so she called her boss to explain she might be late. "Where's your second pair?" her boss asked. "Ah, that one's in bad shape," she admitted, vowing to see her eye doctor for a new pair. With frustration mounting, she sat on her bed, staring at the clothes scattered around her from the frantic search. Her grandma's words echoed, "When you need something, you'll scatter heaven and earth." Sighing, she glanced at the open first aid box. She went to close it, but as she clicked it shut, she caught a glint in the mirror, the glasses, nestled right in her afro, sitting there as if they'd never left. "Ah, see your life, Yutund," she laughed at herself, slipping on the glasses and dashing out the door.